Hi, and welcome to From the Teacher's Desk, a bilingual LibGuide. This LibGuide is aimed at helping parents who are English language learners and want to be active participants in their children's schooling, as well as teachers seeking to make their classroom more accessible to parents who aren't native English speakers. That's me. Hi, I'm Gladys, a children's Zoom bilingual librarian in Hackensack. I was born here in New Jersey, but I was raised in Lima, Peru. English is my second language. This LibGuide is written in both in Spanish and in English to help facilitate an understanding amongst parents and teachers. This guide is broken up into 3 sections: for parents, for teachers, and in the community. Each section is filled with curated information to help the aforementioned population. This is the parents section. Here you will find resources to help you on your journey to learning English. The parents section is broken down into 3 sections as well: resources, videos and podcasts, and articles. Everything in this section has been curated to help parents learn English. This is the teacher section. Here you will find resources to help you make your classroom accessible to English language learners. You will also find resources available in the state of New Jersey. The teacher section is also broken down into 3 sections: classroom resources, state of New Jersey resources, and articles. Everything in this section has been curated to help teachers make their classroom more accessible to parents who don't speak English. This is the community section. Here you will find resources throughout the Hackensack and New Jersey community. The community section is filled with resources that can be found throughout Hackensack. I've included the public library, the community college, and some resources at the state level. Everything in this section has been curated to help both parents and teachers find resources within the community. I hope you have found this LibGuide to be helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Just click here. Thank you and have a good day.